What is the secure folder and how do I use it? A straightforward strategy to cover records data and apps on Samsung. The Samsung Safe folder is a high-end safety choice that retains delicate data protected from malicious assaults. It makes use of the Samsung Knox safety platform to encrypt a password-protected folder that is ideally suited for storing necessary knowledge. You may as well add a passcode or biometric lock to maintain the folder contents protected from prying eyes. This is the way it works. This information applies to Samsung telephones with Android 7.0 and better. Why use Samsung Safe folder? Whereas anybody can use the Samsung Safe folder, it is particularly helpful for individuals who need their non-public cell phone to double as a peace cell phone. Put the knowledge that you really want separate from the remainder of the cell phone in your Safe folder. As soon as it is arranged, all you do is enter a passcode or use a biometric option to unlock it and enter your records data and knowledge. Safe folder may additionally be a great choice for fogies with younger kids. Mother and father can provide the youngsters their smartphones to play video games, whereas stopping the kids from accessing or utilizing sure apps and options, or by chance deleting necessary data. The right way to create a Samsung Safe folder. Comply with the under directions to create a Safe folder in your Samsung machine. Open the cell phone's Settings app. Choose Lock Display and Safety or Biometrics and Safety greater than Safe folder. If you do not have a Samsung account, it is advisable create one. When you've got an account, sign up. Faucet register or proceed. After you sign up to your account, select which lock methodology you wish to use, sample, PIN, or password, then faucet subsequent. For further safety, make the sample, PIN, or password totally different than the passcode you employ to unlock the principal part of your Samsung machine. Comply with the on-screen instructions to arrange whichever lock methodology you selected. To make use of a biometrics go choice, together with fingerprints and iris scanners, set a sample, PIN, or password as a backup. After your lock methodology is ready up, a shortcut to the Safe folder seems on the Residents and Apps display. The right way to use Samsung Safe folder. The gallery, calendar, contacts, email, digital camera, web, Samsung Notes, and My Information apps are commonplace in Safe folder. These apps are separate from the app variations in the principal part of your Samsung machine, so these needs to be empty and never linked to any accounts. Add content material or join apps, resembling email, to the required accounts for the app to work. Any content material you create in Safe folder exists solely in Safe folder, however there are a few methods to handle your apps and records data. Faucet add apps or add records data to maneuver content material from the principal part of your cell phone to Safe folder. Faucet edit apps to cover or uninstall apps from Safe folder. Faucet lock or the Again button to exit Safe folder and return to the principal part of the Samsung machine. The right way to enter the Safe folder settings. You also needs to get conversant in the Safe folder settings, which you'll enter by tapping the three-dot icon within the upper right nook of the display. From right here, you may change the lock kind, management notifications, and arrange accounts, amongst different capabilities. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.